Hello, welcome to JNN Technology Product Show. In this time, we will introducing you the new steamer. It is the steam and vacuum two-in-one machine. On the bottom is the steamer and on the top is the vacuum. It will be suitable for car interior cleaning, for the carpet, seat, and the roof. Also available for housekeeping. This is the steam vacuum two-in-one gun. As you can see, the transparent part is for vacuum and the steamer will be on the below. The steam goes on and the vacuum sucking it back to provide a cleaning efficiency. Thank you very much.